wedge tornado. I'm gonna get out and take a few photos. Oh wow, look at that. Gary, I need to let you go. Let me get some video. Like a few miles in front of me, about a quarter mile wide perhaps. It's definitely a strong tornado. Looks like a satellite tornado went around the edge of it too. Tornado, guys, and it's getting larger. Oh, wow. Big tornado. What do you guys think? Yeah, it's a big one, right? We either could call that a big cone. It's not quite wedge right now. That's just big cone tornado. All right, I'm gonna continue to follow this thing. I don't want to lose it. Wow, what a beautiful tornado. Gosh, I hope that one's not hurting anybody. No, I'm gonna hold still for two more. You guys make sure you share this. Make sure everyone can see this. Send this around. Look at that. Monster. Gary's calling me again. Yes, Gary. Yep. Good. You rolling on it back at the station too? Oh wow, that's motion. I saw power flashes too. Okay, thanks. Bye. All right, I'm gonna continue to